as Boston Dynamics pivots toward the commercial deployment of its Atlas. The company has released a final series of videos showcasing the research version of the humanoid platform. A short clip of Atlas executing a flawless cartwheel, followed immediately by a backflip, recently went viral on social media platforms. Shortly after, Boston Dynamics published a more comprehensive video, providing a transparent look at the engineering effort required to achieve such maneuvers. The extended video includes slow-motion replays and a blooper reel, documenting the numerous instances where the robot collapsed or tumbled during testing. This final push was conducted in collaboration with the Robotics and AI Institute to test the absolute limits of full-body mobility and whole-body control. According to the Robotics and AI Institute, these behaviors are enabled by a whole-body learning framework designed to achieve zero-shot transfer, moving a policy from a simulation to physical hardware without intermediate tuning. While the research version of Atlas is performing flips for the cameras, the production version is preparing for the factory floor. The enterprise-ready Atlas is designed for high-volume industrial tasks, boasting 56 degrees of freedom and a 4-digit gripper equipped with tactile sensing. Hyundai Motor Group has confirmed that the robot will be deployed at the Hyundai Motor Group Metaplant America in Georgia by 2028. Initial tasks will focus on part sequencing, with plans to expand into full component assembly by 2030.